Welcome. Oh. Okay, I need to go get my laptop. I have this cool app. Oh, I showed you guys last time. Hey guys, I can't remember everything. What do you have to lose? Tyson plays games, you're funny. But no. Oh my god. Okay. There's looking at it. It's right there. Howdy. Howdy, Jen. Imagine that. Why am I censoring my burps for you fools tonight? That's awesome. Oh my god, you're totally right. Yes, denial. Okay, it's time to build some Legos. Who was that? I know, Cheeto, baby Tito, you're totally right. Oh my god.